Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw winnings from PrizePicks. If you're ready to cash out your winnings from PrizePicks, here's how to do it quickly and safely. First, remember that you must play through your deposited funds at least once before withdrawing. For example, if you deposit $25, you need to enter $25 worth of lineups using credit funds. Promo credits don't count towards this requirement. Once that's done, open the PrizePicks app or website and head to the withdrawal section. On the app, tap the menu icon at the top left. On the browser, log in. Then click the menu at the top right, select Request Withdrawal. You can withdraw through a bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card. Just note that Apple Pay, credit cards, and Discover debit cards are for deposits only, not withdrawals. Next, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. Minimum is $10. Choose your method. Confirm. You'll receive a one-time password by email for verification. First-time withdrawals usually take 6 to 12 hours, while future ones are often instant. Accept bank transfers, which may take up to 3 days, and that's how you withdraw your winnings from PrizePicks. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.